Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best USB adapter is probably one of the most underrated tech accessories out there, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves gadgets, a good USB adapter can solve a lot of problems. Today, we're diving deep into the world of USB adapters, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. Manscaped Lawn Mower 3.0 2.0 Charger. Is your original charger lost or damaged? This is the perfect replacement. It's designed specifically for your Manscaped Lawn Mower 3.0 or 2.0. This charger cable is compatible with Manscaped Lawn Mower 3.0 and 2.0 only. Make sure this is the right fit for your device. The special design and materials ensure safe charging. It features overcurrent, overvoltage, and overload protection, keeping the temperature low while charging. The USB connector works with various adapters, like power banks, car chargers, and wall chargers. It's super convenient, especially with USB outlets being so common now. You'll receive a 5-foot charger, including a wall adapter and USB cable. It's portable and lightweight, making it great for travel. If you have any questions, please contact us. You can also find other chargers for different devices in our store. What we like. This charger is a perfect replacement for your Manscaped lawn mower. It ensures safe charging with its special design and materials. If you're tired of dealing with a damaged or lost charging cable, this is the solution. It's also super convenient with its USB charging cord, so if you are looking for a replacement charger, you should consider this. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly. The product is exactly as described and works great. This adapter is well made and functions flawlessly. Number 4. Unitek USB-C to SATA IDE Adapter. This adapter supports a wide range of storage devices. It works with 2.5 3.5-inch SATA HDDs and SSDs, as well as IDE drives and optical drives. The adapter features both IDE and SATA connectors. It allows you to connect up to 3 hard drives at the same time, increasing your productivity. Enjoy fast file transfers with speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. It's also backward compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1 for added convenience. A 12V2A power adapter is included to ensure a stable power supply. A 4-pin power cable is also provided for 3.5 IDE drives. This adapter is plug-and-play and supports hot swapping. It also includes an on-off switch for HDD protection and an LED indicator for power and activity. The package includes the SATA IDE adapter, a USB 3.0 cable, a 12V2A power adapter, and a 4-pin power cable. Customer support is available 24/7 if you have any questions. What we like. This adapter offers wide compatibility with various storage devices, including both SATA and IDE HDDs SSDs. It provides fast data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. If you need to connect multiple hard drives or older IDE drives, this adapter is perfect for you. It's a versatile tool for data recovery or expanding your storage options, so you should consider this. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly. The product is exactly as described and works great. It is a great product and I would recommend it. Number 3. DSD-Tech SH-U11G Isolated USB to RS485 Adapter. Introducing the DSD-Tech SH-U11G, an isolated USB to RS485 adapter. This device is designed to safeguard your sensitive control equipment from electrical damage. It's a reliable solution for your industrial RS485 needs. This adapter features built-in isolation circuits and surge protection. This protects your critical equipment. It's a great way to ensure the longevity of your devices. With this USB to RS485 adapter, you can quickly connect to your RS485 network. It simplifies the process, making it easy to establish a connection. You'll be up and running in no time. The adapter uses the original FTDI FT232RL chip, ensuring high stability. It supports speeds up to 3 megabits per second. This ensures reliable and fast data transfer. The DSD Tech SHU11G is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It works with Windows 10, 8, and 7, 32/64-bit. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice. DSD Tech offers permanent technical support and a 1-year product replacement service. All your questions will be answered within 1 working day. We are here to help you. What we like. This adapter features isolated RS-485, protecting your sensitive equipment from electrical damage. It has a built-in original FTDI FT232RL chip for high stability. If you work with industrial RS-485 devices and require a reliable and protected connection, this is the one for you. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly. The product is exactly what I needed. It works great. Number 2. DSD Tech SHU07B USB to TTL adapter, 2 PCS. DSD Tech specializes in serial devices. They have served over 100,000 customers across Europe, North America, and Japan. This adapter is a testament to their expertise. This adapter features 3.3V, 5V, TXT, RXT, DSR, DTR, RTS, and CTS pins. It supports both 3.3V and 5V output voltages, with a 3.3V logic level. It offers great flexibility for various projects. The adapter comes with a transparent protective case. This case shields it from static interference and prevents accidental short circuits. It ensures the adapter's durability and safety. It works seamlessly with Windows 10, 8, and 7. You can easily integrate it into your existing setup. This ensures broad usability across different operating systems. DSD Tech provides permanent technical support and a 1-year product replacement service. They are committed to answering all your questions within 1 working day. You can rely on them for assistance. What we like. This adapter comes with a protective case to prevent static interference and accidental short circuits. It supports both 3.3V and 5V output voltages. If you're working with microcontrollers or other TTL devices and need a safe and versatile adapter, you should consider this. What people say. Allowed me to reprogram a Vonage VoIP interface for use with my own PBX software, Fusion PBX, was easy to connect with my Mac, didn't need to get special drivers, it just worked. The CH340 series are great, and this particular unit breaks out the RTS, DTR, CTS and DSR signals. It does the 3V and 5V, and I really like the nice clear plastic housing it's mounted in. It performed flawlessly, both in Linux and in Windows Arduino IDE. Number 1. USB-C to HDMI adapter, 4K 60Hz. This adapter allows you to connect your USB-C devices to an HDMI display. It supports both video and audio transmission, making it perfect for presentations or watching movies. It works with devices like MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, and Samsung S8 and S9. This adapter is designed to be versatile, so you can connect to a variety of displays. Remember, this adapter connects from USB-C to HDMI. You plug the USB-C end into your device and the HDMI end into your display. It doesn't work the other way around. Enjoy stunning visuals with up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz. It utilizes a powerful chip to ensure a smooth and high-quality display, meeting the latest standards. Cord ensures high-speed and stable data transmission. The gold-plated connectors provide excellent corrosion protection and conductivity, ensuring a reliable connection. What we like. This USB-C to HDMI adapter supports up to 4K 60Hz output. It features gold-plated connectors for exceptional corrosion protection. If you want to connect your USB-C devices to an HDMI display with high-quality video and audio, it's a great choice. It's perfect for presentations or enjoying content on a larger screen, so you should consider this. What people say. The adapter worked perfectly. The design is sleek and compact. It has all the features I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.